That was fucking loud today. What's up, guys? Hope everyone out there is surviving the pre-FOMC bleed. Okay? Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled by the pre-FOMC altcoin bleed, guys. Don't be fooled out there. Okay? I don't want you guys to be fooled. All right? We know every FOMC is the same playbook. All right? We've been talking about that. So we'll talk about that again today. What's up, fellas? Dude, guys, I ate that whole goddamn calzone last night, and I'm feeling greasy. I'm feeling greasy. I'm feeling slimy. I'm feeling fat. So when I go to the gym tonight, I have to do 30 minutes of 30-minute running. I have to do a 30-minute run to make up for it. Even though that's not even going to be close to how many calories I ate. I probably ate like 3,000 calories last night, dude. It was fat. Anyways, that's my calzone story. But what's up, guys? We got Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit 100, almost 108,000 today at one point. Where did it hit? 107,753. All right, so Bitcoin continues to rip up. Not surprised. And I think Bitcoin's just going to continue to rip up, as I think this was vertical accumulation, and we're about to see, this was the first leg, and we're about to see that second leg. We'll talk about that. Let's let all the homies come in. Let's let all the homies come in. Smack the like button if you're coming in now. Appreciate you guys. I got to start showing the like button. I also think I'm going to start making some videos too. I have like this, every once in a while I crave like making some altcoin videos. So I'm kind of feeling making some individual altcoin videos, like especially Chainlink and some DeFi coins. So let's fucking go. But anyways, hope everyone's good out there. Hope everyone's surviving this crazy world that we live in. There was another school shooting today over here. Crazy, man. People are fucking crazy. I don't know how you can get to that point where you can literally go into somewhere and shoot people, bro. I don't understand how you can do that, but I guess that's why I'm not that person. Okay. But anyways, this world's fucking crazy, man. Flex the North, what's up, bro? Skillful, you had a nice chest workout. Dude, I'm literally going to the gym today to do chest and run. That's all I'm doing today, dude. I'm literally gonna bench press and run. Okay, I gotta grow these pecs, man. I at least gotta use that fucking bread calories for some freaking for some gains at the very least. Yeah, we're gonna wait for everyone to get in here. We're gonna wait for all the homies to get in here before we talk some Bitcoin and some altcoins. Altcoins bleeding out right now, and I think and ETH rejecting 4K. I think it's not really surprising. We have FOMC coming up on Wednesday. We kind of watched out for like maybe a little bit of a shorts opening and people taking some profits pre-FOMC is usually what happens. And every FOMC ends up being the same playbook where people kind of sell off before FOMC, and then after FOMC, when Powell's done speaking, we end up going up. So it's kind of like the same shit that happens every goddamn time. By the way, shout out to Felipe. Felipe with the 5 gifted memberships right off the bat. Let's fucking go, dude. What's this goal? I don't know what this is. Whatever. We don't need a goal. We don't need a goal. Do cardio before lifts or at the end of the workout. I usually do afterwards so I can keep my energy for the lifts. You know what I mean? I usually do that. Anyways, is everyone in here now? Welcome, homies. Welcome to the stream today. It's gonna be a good stream today, man. I'm feeling good. Feeling good where we're at. Going into this week, man. All right. So let's get it. Let's keep the energy up today. Let's get it. All right. By the way, my guitar update, I'm getting it for Christmas. Someone's getting it for me for Christmas. That's like a perfect Christmas gift. So someone, instead of me getting it, I told them to get it for me for Christmas. So fuck yeah, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. We're getting a good guitar for Christmas. The gallons are back, dude. The gallons are back. You know what that means. When the gallons are back, bro. You know. Anyways, let's start talking some Bitcoin. All right. First of all, before we get started with Bitcoin, okay. Man, this is fucking ridiculous, bro. ETH keeps rejecting our 4K again. I finally think we're gonna get ETH season. Jordan turned the box to purple, and we reject again? This coin is shit. Literally shit box. I am never touching ETH again. I think I'm going to buy EOS. Yes, EOS. Fuck ETH. Never again, bro. So yeah, we'll talk about ETH. ETH getting another rejection from 4K. That could change. But what's new? What's fucking new? Anyways, Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin just continuing up, guys. I think this is just going to be the story. The next few days, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, we see a little bit of sell-off ahead of FOMC. Is, you know, traders like to short into that just in case there's a hedge. People like to take profits as a hedge, right? So don't be surprised if there's a little bit of red tomorrow and Wednesday, pre-FOMC. And then we get some type of reversal on Wednesday afternoon. I wouldn't be surprised. Bitcoin could just keep squeezing up. Altcoins, that could be the case. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin 106K. I think at this point, dude, it's the vertical accumulation we've been talking about, which is Bitcoin just making higher highs and higher lows before eventually making its next move to the upside. It's very similar to this time period right here, where we have this big impulse up, higher highs and higher lows, before Bitcoin had this next leg up here. Okay, and then it went sideways for a while, which could be when altcoins run, right? That's when altcoins ran last year, right? December and January is when altcoins went nuts. So could we see this Bitcoin move up, sideways, let altcoins run for like a month before maybe some type of pullback? I wouldn't be surprised if it plays out like that. Big move up, accumulation, and Bitcoin some impulse, maybe to like 120K, 125K or some shit. Sideways, let altcoins run, and then blah, blah, blah. You know, you guys get the point. That's really Bitcoin, man. I think Bitcoin's pretty self-explanatory right now. Bitcoin is bullish. I don't see any reason why you wouldn't be bullish on the Bitcoins and the Bitcoins. And yeah, we'll just keep playing it as it is. It is what it is. Next time it will pass 4K, third time is the charm. Bro, I think this was the third time on ETH. I think this was the third time. That's the thing, bro. Yeah, I mean, anyways, we'll look at that in a little bit. Yeah, same thing for Bitcoin, guys. I don't think it's anything different than what we've been talking about. Is Bitcoin just continues up, bro. That's it, dude. I don't really have anything else to add. I think we're going to get a move to like 120K-ish, and then some type of correction. So, yeah, same shit, man. Same shit, different day. Wayne, your mama likes Bitcoin, Wayne. Your mama likes to play the guitar. Your mama. Wayne, I got something to tell you, bro. I sold all my Bitcoin today. I'm just kidding. I didn't do that.
Bruh.
I just wanted to trick you real quick. I totally just wanted to trick you real quick, man. All right, anyways. Yeah, so that's Bitcoin. Man, it can't really be that simple, is it? Bitcoin's bullish. It can't really be that simple. There's got to be more to it. There's got to be more to it, bro. Like, give me some lines or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's got to be more to this Bitcoin shit. Shut up, Mike. Shut up, Mike. We don't want to hear from you, dude. Chewy sold all his Bitcoin. Hey, at least he's selling it. At least he's selling it at a pump. All right. At least he's selling it on a pump. I respect it. Selling on a pump, not on a dump. I kind of respect it. All of it, I don't know if I respect it, but some of it, I respect it. I can't be a hater. I literally can't be a hater, man. Anyways, so much for altcoin season. The shilling and Twitter is unreal. Well, here's the thing. We talked about this last week. FOMC is Wednesday, right? So we should expect some bearishness and selling and profit taking into FOMC because people get scared into every FOMC. It's not really that surprising, honestly, to see altcoins bleeding out a little bit. It's really not. And to be honest, they're just in the same range they've been in for the past month. So it's not really surprising, to be quite honest. Right? I think after FOMC is when we could see a move. Pre-FOMC, I don't really expect much to happen. That's kind of what I've been saying the last few days. I don't really think a lot happens until FOMC. We probably just get chop suey, like we've been seeing, dude. Just pure chop suey. Anyways, that's Bitcoin. I think ETH. We'll check ETH for real quick. So ETH just gets rejected off 4K again. This thing can't catch a break, man. Can't catch a break. It just every time we go up into this 4K 4100 level, the sellers come in and just send it down. So just another time where we come up, take the highs, and ETH just gets sent back down to the shadow realm again. Okay, so I don't know, man. There's unlimited sellers at 4,100, literally unlimited sellers. We cannot run out of sellers at 4,100 at the moment. So yeah, same kind of deal. I think up until FOMC, this probably bleeds out a little bit. Would we be shocked? Not really. This probably bleeds out, until FOMC, and then we kind of see. Let's wait until Wednesday to be judgmental on the rejection, but just another day of sellers stepping in at 4K. Okay, so yeah, it is what it is. I think eventually it breaks. It's just not today. It's rejected. Rejected. If you ever played NBA Jam back in the day, ETH got rejected again. All right. But yeah, I'm not too worried about it, guys. I think if you got a good entry on ETH, you just fucking hold it. I think eventually it goes higher. You just got to be patient with this thing, dude. This thing is a snail, and it really hasn't been a snail. But now what we might do pre-FOMC, which would be slightly annoying, but it is what it is, we might come down, take out these lows, and then try to get back above. But, it is what it is. I think you just got to have some patience with this shit. If you're in from down here or even lower, shit. If you're in from down here or even lower, I think you just have some patience and let this thing play out, man. It is what it is. It is what it is, dude. You can't change the trajectory of it all, So that's ETH. Same shit as yesterday. We just got to get it back above 4K, bro. You know what I mean? I guess you have some bearish divergence. Whatever, dude. I guess you have bearish divergence on the weekly too. So let's see how the rest of the week plays out. I'm going to give it to the rest of the week. Okay. Especially after FOMC, that's when I'll be like, okay, that's when I'll gotta be a little suspect. All right. But let's give it to Wednesday and we'll go from there. You know what I'm saying? But I still think this is going higher. And I think if you have the patience to wait it out, if you're in from lower prices, I'm not saying buy it at resistance, but if you're in for lower prices, I think this eventually goes higher for you. But you just gotta have the mother effing patience to wait that shit out, bro. All right? Because what? Because what? Check Sol. Sol's ass right now. Well, we'll check Sol. Sol's booty cheeks. Every 15th of December to 15th of January, in the bullish years, ETH has done well. All right, so this was about a 110% move from December 15th to December. Oh my god, dude. Frozone. I don't want to hear from you, man. I will politely disagree with you, my friend. But you can sell all the coins. Sell me. Oh, you said sell me all your coins. You almost tricked me, man. I ain't selling you my coins. I definitely ain't selling you my Chainlink. I definitely ain't selling you my CRV. I definitely ain't selling you my Bitcoin. And I definitely ain't selling you any of my Ondo. Maybe a little bit of Ondo. But I definitely ain't selling you those four. Definitely. I think those are like the blue chips going into this year, in my opinion. But anyways, the 15th of December to the 15th of January, we've seen ETH do well. So this is a 110% move going from 2020 to 2021. And if we go back in time from 2016 or 2017, which was also the bullish year, right? We had ETH go from about 115% move from November 15th to December 15th of 2017. All right. I don't think we do a 100% move, to be honest. You never know. XRP just did a 5x. So I wouldn't rule it out, but I still think ETH goes higher, guys. And I think if you have the patience to wait it out, like I said, I think you're going to be very, very rewarded if you're in ETH or ETH tokens over the next month or two. If you can have the patience to wait this shit out. Might take some patience, bro. All right. So that's ETH. Not much else to say besides that. I think once we can clear this with some headway, I think 5K is coming probably within a few days. It wouldn't shock me to be a very, very quick move. This is probably a lot of shorts built up right here. It wouldn't surprise me for a quick squeeze up to like 5K. super, super quick. So yeah, that's ETH, man. I think the other coin that is fucking strong as hell right now, dude, is fucking Chainlink, dude. Dude, Chainlink is a fucking beast right now. While other coins are bleeding out, this thing is chilling. All right, Chainlink is a fucking beast. If you guys didn't hear, Trump and his son are buying Chainlink, Aave, ETH. All right, basically DeFi tokens, bro. And I'm gonna make a Chainlink video today just because I'm feeling good about the link, bro. You guys know I've always, this is not like a right now thing. You guys know I've always said Chainlink is the most undervalued altcoin. I have a feeling next year is going to be the year that Link finally gets its fucking thing, where not only does it get into the top 10, but I think it blows some minds. So Chainlink, fucking strong as hell, chilling up at the highs, while the rest of the altcoins kind of bleed out. So I'm happy that Chainlink is my, other than Bitcoin, Link is going to $250, bro. I think that's fun. I'm just kidding. That's a pretty high target, man. I don't think that's fun. $250. If we get some crazy shit, like, I think if an ETH run happens, like you get ETH run into like 10K, 15K, I wouldn't be shocked to see Link go to 250. But I think you're gonna need ETH to have a pretty massive run, just because Link is so connected to ETH, you know. But yeah, I think Chainlink is fucking bullish as hell, and it's not just dude. It's on the Bitcoin pair, man. Look at Link. I should probably save this for the video tonight, but Link BTC, dude. Look at the Wyckoff on Link BTC. I mean, you're gonna find this on a lot of altcoin charts. But look at the Wyckoff on Link BTC, guys. Oh my God, bro. You know how horny this gets me? If Link BTC can just get back to its 2020 peak, which, why I think it will, is, dude, this has been a 5-year accumulation, right? Since 2019, this shit has been in this range, okay? If you can just get back to that 2020 high, I mean, that's an outpaced Bitcoin about like 500%. So I don't know, man. But you guys know I've always been bullish on Link, and I think the Bitcoin pair chart is fucking unbelievable. And I'm ready. I'm ready for it, bro. I've been ready for it for years. So send Link to the fucking moon. $250, bro. If Link hits $250, I will be so, dude. I will be the happiest man on earth if Link went to 250. I'm not counting on it, but I also think Link will go much higher than most people think. Most people think is possible. Just like XRP has already gone higher than most people thought was possible. You know what I mean? Which also, XRP looks strong as hell, by the way, guys. Like, XRP is another coin that looks so fucking strong as hell right now. Honestly, you gotta respect the chart. XRP looks like fucking, like it wants to blast. Like, as soon as altcoins catch a bid, which I think will be after FOMC, XRP looks like it wants the fucking moon again. So I'm just putting that out there, bro. And you know, it takes a lot for me to say this. It really, really does. But I think if we get past FOMC, XRP is another coin that looks like it wants the fucking moon. Again, just the strength of it is just crazy, man. So even today, dude, it was green. It was fucking green today, while the rest of the market was bleeding out. So, yeah, I think XRP looks strong as hell, too. And then the other coins, which some of them are showing some strength and some of them are not, is the DeFi coins. I don't know if you want to buy Aave up here, but you can tell that DeFi is getting a massive bid right now. I wouldn't buy Aave here, guys. I'm just saying. Like, if you're looking at Aave and saying, I want to buy Aave right now, I don't think I would buy it right here. You can if you want to, but it is what it is. Shit, dude. CRV is the one that I really like. You guys know, I've been in CRV since the lows. But yeah, CRV is another one that's has, I guess it's been bleeding out the last few days, but it's been showing some strength like since this big fucking wick to the downside. So CRV is another one. Post FOMC, not right now. Post FOMC, I think if we get altcoin bid, there's this trend line right here which matches up with Wednesday. It literally matches up with FOMC Wednesday. Keeps getting wrecked. Bro, why does he keep getting wrecked? Why does this idiot keep getting wrecked? He's got to stop fucking shorting Frozone. Shout out to Frozone though, dude. You're coming in like a fucking rocket today. Shout out to Frozone. Tell him to stop fucking shorting like a weirdo. And he could short some altcoins maybe until FOMC. I don't know if I would always do that, you know. But yeah, DeFi. I love DeFi, guys. I think DeFi is going to be big next year. It's going to be huge. So yeah, I just love DeFi, man. Like, you guys know I bought the dip on CRV on this dip. I bought Chainlink on this dip. I also bought some Near too, just because I like Near. But it doesn't really have anything to do with anything. But yeah, CRV, bro. There's a lot of there's a million altcoins, guys. But I think you got to find the hot narratives. And I think right now the hot narratives, and especially if altcoins can catch a bid post Wednesday, you want to be in those hot narratives. Right now the hot narratives are RWAs and DeFi. I think those are going to be the big plays for when altcoins catch a bid, whenever that is. Hopefully Wednesday. If it's not Wednesday, well, we probably got some chopping to do. But, you know, if we catch a bid post Wednesday. Anyways, Bitcoin. This is why I love Bitcoin, man. Like, no matter what altcoins are doing, and that's the thing, guys. I hope you guys recognize this next cycle, okay? This is why holding Bitcoin is so important. No matter what altcoins do, if you own Bitcoin, if Bitcoin's your biggest holding, you just feel good. You know what I mean? Like, altcoins can do whatever, man. If Bitcoin just keeps grinding to the upside, let's fucking go. Like, it is what it is. Like, altcoins are great. I love altcoins. But Bitcoin's just that consistent horse. So I think, I hope next cycle, as I've always said, Bitcoin should be your biggest holding. So, I mean, maybe I think this cycle, you know, I don't want to say it's too late to make Bitcoin your biggest holding. But, you know, I don't think it's ever too late if you can stomach some downside. But, yeah. Man, that's why it's good to hold Bitcoin, man. Just the consistent gains no matter what Bitcoins are doing, bro. It's great. Making 2K on some alt shorts now. Let's go, Dave. I love it, bro. You're probably going to be I think you're going to be pretty safe with shorts until Wednesday. I don't think you're going to see some massive short squeeze until Wednesday. You know what I mean? I really, really don't, dude. I really don't think you're like... I'm not saying short right now, but I think you could still maybe see some altcoin bleeds for the next day or two. But I think after that, could be some good stuff. Could be some really, really good stuff. All right, guys. Anyways, Bitcoin dominance. Look where we are. Look where we are. Look where we are in Bitcoin dominance, guys. Man. Woof. What are we going to do here? What do you think in the chat? What do you think in the chat, guys? What do you think in the chat? You think Bitcoin dominance rejects from the bull market support band again? Boom. And this would just line out perfectly. Bitcoin dominance rejects off the bull market support band again after FOMC. Would be fucking perfect. The timing is impeccable. Or do you think it's going to reclaim back above? What do you think? We said this is going to come back up into this zone. It has. I think the timing is really, really nice for this, to be honest. But let's see. Dude, Crow's getting a little squeezed right now, by the way. We'll talk about that. But yeah, is it going to be like this? This time period right here, where we rejected, we fell below for the first time. Well, not for the first time, but after a massive Bitcoin dominance pump, we fell below. We rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, altcoin season. Here we are in temp number 2, right? So we rejected once. What will happen now? Will we reject or will we get back above? Let's find out. Let's find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's Bitcoin dominance. Thanks for shorting. You will be exit liquidity. Frozone. Don't be trolling the bears. We need them. We need the bears, at least temporarily. We need the bears, bro. We need the bears. We need some bears. You know what I mean? I am shorting, said Yazer. I honestly think you'll be good with shorts until for the next 2 days. I don't blame you, bro. I don't blame you. But I think that's going to be the common thing the next 2 days is people shorting. But I think you're going to be good for the next 2 days. For a little bit more bleed. A little bit more bleed. The bleed. I sound like Jabba? What the fuck? That's kind of offensive, man. Why do I sound like Jabba, bro? Why do I sound like Jabba, bro? Hold on. What's going on, guys? It's Bill. I'm short Bitcoin right now, and you know it feels good. I think the cycle top is in, and you know I really think this bull market is over right now. I think you know retail's not coming back. Retail's not coming back. They were scared off by FTX, and I really think that you know the cycle top is in, and I think shorting is free money right now. So if it's up to me, just put in some shorts and just short. It's free money. Why wouldn't you do it, bro? Why? Oh man, it's Bill. It's my Uncle Bill. It's my Uncle Bill. He told me to short on Thanksgiving. He got wrecked. Uncle Bill told me to short on Thanksgiving. He got wrecked. Shout out to Uncle Bill. Uncle Bill right now is probably smoking a cigar. You know, BitBoy in the chat. No way. Gold has a higher market cap than BTC, buddy. Oh, don't start, Peter Schiff. You sniffing Peter Schiff. You motherfucker. Peter Sniff. All right. But yeah. It's fucking great. Does that look like BitBoy? Does it? God, it does, bro. The bulldog, bro. It kind of does. It kind of does. It kind of does look like the bulldog. That's crazy. That's fucked. It's kind of fucked. I don't like to make fun of people's appearances, but it kind of does. It kind of does. Not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie, bro. MSTR. Bill the shill. Bill the shill. MSTR. It's chilling. It's chilling. It's consolidating sideways above the previous all-time high. Right? So I don't really have anything else to say. I mean, at this moment, it's just previous all-time high from 2000, literally 2000, 24 years ago. Almost 25 years ago. 25 years ago, bro. Flipping. You're banning the bulls in the chat? We can't ban the bulls. We can't ban the bears. We need the bears, bro. Told you that. But yeah, so this is the 2020 high. Right now we're just trying to flip it in support. So hopefully we can hold here. Or at least go sideways, let this consolidate after a massive run. I mean, dude, MicroStrategy just went up. Just to put in perspective, guys. I mean, this thing went up 5x. This thing went up 5x in 2 months. Like, that's a crazy ass move, bro. That's a crazy ass move. So, I mean, it might need some time to chop around in here, and that's fine. You know what I mean? You had a 5x in 2 months. That's not normal. That's not a normal move. So, this might need a little bit of time to chop around in here. I'm just hoping it stays and builds a base, you know, in here. If it's going to chop around for a little bit and then go for it. Hope it just builds a base. But we'll keep an eye on MicroStrategies. It's been, dude, all the MicroStrategies has been the best crypto play in this bull market, bro. The best play. Not even a question. It's literally like done better than altcoins. Crazy play. Anyways, Crow's getting a random fucking pump. I don't know why it is. Did Crow get some news? Because everything else is kind of drooping down while Crow's pumping. So I don't know if Crow had some news that just came out or something. But Crow just ripped up, 15% right there on that candle. I don't know if it had some news. I don't know if it's just a short squeeze or some shit. But Crow's getting a little bit of a move up. I don't know why. Maybe it's like a Crow BTC thing. Let's look at it. Crow Bitcoin. I guess Crow Bitcoin hit support. Maybe that's why. But maybe there was some news that came out or something. Not Random Check's ex-CEO posted with Trump. Did he? Dude, I'm going to tell you guys right now, by the way, guys. I'm going to tell you guys right fucking now. The Crow Bitcoin pair chart. I know you guys who like Wyckoff will respect this. Dude, I'm just going to put this here, guys. Look at the Crow Bitcoin pair chart. And what do you got? What is this? Like, dude, I need to swap some shit into Crow because what is this, man? This is on the weekly chart. You know what I mean? Like, this is on the weekly chart. And I'm not saying buy Crow right this second. I think, buy it on some type of pullback. The other day was a good time to buy, but look at this. Look at this chart, man. And honestly, like this makes me want to dump money into Crow right now. This is on the weekly. And this has been going on since 2019. We're talking a 5-year Wyckoff. A 5-year Wyckoff, man. You know what I mean? So I'm not saying like buy this pump. It has nothing to do with this pump. This is on the weekly. But dude, look what you just did. Look what you just did on this chart, man. This is no joke. Hold on. Like take a look at this real quick, guys. I'm dead ass. You have a low from 2019. Okay, you went down. Low 2021. You went back up, tested the highs again. You bled all the way down, took out the low. Look at that spring. Right? That's an aggressive spring back above. And look where you just hit. You came back down, back tested as support the previous two lows. Honestly, like this is actually probably, I'm not even gonna lie, this is probably the best Bitcoin pair chart in the market. I ain't even gonna lie. Even if it just gets back to here. That's an 800, almost a 900% move against Bitcoin. Even if it just gets back to these highs. You know what I mean? That's like literally if it just gets back to the highs. It's pretty crazy. I don't know, man. But yeah. This is honestly like such a good Bitcoin pair chart. It's not even funny, to be honest. Now I'm like causing FOMO on I'm like gonna cause FOMO on Crow, bro. Dude, I might make a Crow video. Honestly, like this gets me kind of horny, man. I don't know, man. For some reason it does. I might make a Crow video, man. Dead ass. Chromo, the Matt Damon coin. Yeah, it is the Matt Damon coin. All right. Anyways, check FTM. Phantom.
$FTM for me, Poppy.
Dude, you call me Poppy? I love it when you call me Big Poppy. Throw your hands in the air if you were through player. Chromo, I love it, dude. Please make a video on Crow. Dude, it literally would just be like literally what I'm just talking about now. I kind of feel like making a Crow and Chainlink video, man. I don't know. Not like both in the same one, but I just feel like it, man. I don't know why. Sometimes I get in the mood to make videos. Phantom? Dude, it's in this big channel. It's like this big channel. You got one high. You got two highs. I don't know, man. That 196. That 196 looks pretty dope. Excuse me. I like it when you call me Big Pop, but you said I'm about to get copyrighted because I'm a good rapper. I appreciate you, bro. But I ain't no good rapper, man. I ain't no good rapper. I will be good with guitar. You guys are gonna love me when I play the guitar on the stream. You're gonna be like, dude, you're who you fucking Luke Combs? I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm motherfucking Luke Combs, baby. I'm Luke Combs. You better get it right. No, Phantom. Phantom. So I think, yeah, I mean, $2 eventually makes some sense, and then we'll kind of go from there. And then if you can break out of this channel, obviously all-time highs, which is, 350. But I just watched this like long-term channel, right? Go from the top to the bottom to the top to the bottom to the top. It's kind of beautiful. This one is like what I kind of want to see eventually from these shitters, like Fed. Bottom to the top, bottom to the top, bottom to the top. Or stacks. Bottom to the top, bottom to the top, bottom to the top. Phantom's already kind of gone up. Shit. Phantom's kind of already done it. Not already done it, but it's almost there already. This is like kind of what I want to see from those. They just haven't done it yet. But yeah. That's that. Was it 7:38? Dude, we're killing it right now. We are fucking killing it, boys. Shout out to everyone in the chat. Shout out to everyone out here, man. It's a good day. It's a good day out here. It's a great day out here. Hope everyone's feeling alive and feeling good today. It's good to be, let's try to keep it positive, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at Crow, by the way. Crow, the motherfucking show. The Crow, weekly stock is still up there. Crow, the motherfucking snow. Look at Crow, man. Oh, look at Crow. Look at fucking Crow, man. 15%. Dude, the weekly looks the best, though. It's not even what happens today. It's just the weekly chart looks fucking great. You guys are saying, hold on.
You're the best, sir. How about Kadena?
I'm the best? Let's fucking go, Tesla. Dude, I didn't even need to say anything about Tesla, man. Tesla was, if you just had patience, is sometimes what it takes. I was saying for years down, not even years, about a year down here. Just had to have patience on this thing, man. It was a 4-year consolidation that was inevitable to break to the upside. Look at fucking Tesla, man. Tesla acting like an altcoin right now. It's fucking great, dude. I love it. I fucking love it, man. Tesla and Palantir, my 2 biggest stock holdings. Fucking going to the moon. It's great. I wish I had MicroStrategies, to be honest. But, I mean, Tesla hasn't been bad. Palantir's been doing fucking great. It's great. It's good stuff. It's really good stuff. Been buying Tesla weekly since June. Dude, I've said it was the most undervalued AI play. Tesla will make the killer robots, dude. The market's pricing in the killer robots, I'm telling you. Yo, Lily Plays, I got you on Kadena, my friend. Hold on, let me get my phone. I want to check this Crow shit. Hold on. I want to check this Crow shit. You guys are saying Crow? The CEO posted a photo with fucking Trump? Hold on. Is this dead ass? Let's see. Are you dead ass? Crow? Crypto.com. Honored to have a seat at the table. Oh shit. He did. How do we know it's not AI? How do we know this shit's not AI? That's why I can't trust any of these things nowadays, man. I can't trust any of these things. I really can't, dude. Like, it's not AI. I'm just kidding. It's not AI. But yeah, it's right here, guys. You want to see? It's Trump and the CEO of Crypto.com. How do we know it's not AI, though? Trump does look kind of extra orange, doesn't he? He kind of looks a little extra orange, bro. He does. He's with Chris. His name's Chris with a K. And you can't trust people with Chris with a K. I'm playing. I'm banned on X again? No way. How do we know Jordan isn't AI? He's too good to be true. Dude, I kind of want to FOMO into Crow, man. I actually might FOMO into Crow tonight. Dead ass. And it's like a hold. I don't really care if it goes down in the short term. I might FOMO into Crow tonight. Just based on the weekly Wyckoff. I don't even care if it goes down in the short term. Dead ass. But we'll see. Coinbase is trash. Dude, Coinbase is kind of trash. I've never actually used Crypto.com, though. I've actually never used Crypto.com. I don't know if you guys ever have. I've never done it. Where's Crow? Crow is... Where is it? Where did it... I thought it was like... Crow. Where is it, dude? Am I blind? Oh, here we go. Cronos. 5 billion market cap. Dude, the thing is, if Crow can get some legitimacy in the US, I mean, is there a reason why it can't rival like other exchange token like BNB? I'm not saying it get to that price, but not that price, but like the market cap. If it can have legitimacy in the US, I don't know. This is what it is. I used to buy random alts like like ATH. Really? It's not too bad. Wayne said I blew out an O-ring this more from that Mexican food last night. Way too much hot sauce. Dude, I put taco sauce. I was dead ass dipping my my calzone in taco sauce last night. Like, it was actually pretty good. It was actually pretty good. It was actually really fucking good. My goal is to sell my alts early and miss out on a bunch of gains, but ensuring I secure a decent gains. I've been waiting patiently for ETH new all-time high so real altcoin season begins. It's probably not a bad play. It really is. I don't think it's a bad play. BTC DOM must be high. Yeah, dude. I mean, dude, we're approaching the weekly band. I think if this breaks up, if this breaks up on a daily close, I think that we, short term. I mean, it's not really even really short term, but we might be back to like Bitcoin just like dominating. That's what I'm going to be watching. But I want to see a daily close. So any wicks above here and close back below is whatever. But if we start closing dailies, especially even one daily up here above the weekly band, but I think you might be looking at a little bit of a Bitcoin. I don't want to say Bitcoin solo rally, but Bitcoin just showing massive strength against alts again if you get back above there. So I'm going to be watching this like a hawk tonight. Like a freaking hawk on a mission. Alts will pump after rate cut. Yeah, I mean, that's what I've been saying for a while. That's my theory. Is the next 2 days could be a little bit bloody for alts, in my opinion. But I think after FOMC is the time where if we're going to see altcoin pump, it probably won't be till Wednesday afternoon. If we're going to see an altcoin run, so we'll see. Alts are anemic. They're anemic. Use my link for Crow. Use your link for Crow? Dude, I literally have never used Crow. Crypto.com. Never. I've used like almost every single exchange, I feel like, besides Crow. You know? We'll see. I don't think I'm actually going to FOMO into this, to be fair. We'll see. But I think if I can get, if you can get a pullback on this, just based on the weekly chart, I might add to some. So like maybe tomorrow, if we get a pullback, tomorrow, Wednesday, pre-FOMC, maybe this comes back down again. I think I'm going to add to this. Not add to it, but actually get it. And maybe I'll make up for my fucking crow sell last cycle. And we'll ride the Crow Bitcoin chart to Valhalla. Dude, this gets me so pumped, man. Like, this chart gets me so amped. This chart gets me so amped up. But we'll see. See what happens, friends. You revenge trading Crow? Dude, I ain't even... No. Revenge trading would be shorting Crow. That would be me literally be shorting Crow to the moon. After searching Matt Damon on Entourage, I'm not touching anything he touches. Oh, God. What did he do on Entourage? Get another piece of that crow. That fucking bird. Get the money shorting alts today. Yeah, I said that in the beginning. I think you can probably make some money with some shorts over the next 2 days. Yeah, Wednesday's FOMC. Wednesday at 2 o'clock. The same shit happens almost every FOMC. You sell off pre-FOMC, and then after FOMC, it's green. It's the same shit every single time. Every single time. Woozy, good night, bro. Good night, man. You're so right. Don't look at your bags until Wednesday night. I agree. I agree with you. I held 300,000 Crow from 18 cents to $1 and down to 5 cents, and I'm still holding it. Dude, that might be a blessing in disguise. Maybe a blessing in disguise in the future, man. Wayne said, I used to own some Crow. I even staked it and got the metal Visa card. Then they canceled the rewards. I never used the card, and I sold my Crow and closed my account. Maybe I was too early for them. I think you were too early for them. The good thing about Crow is it actually has some like fundamentals. Like it's an actual exchange that makes money. Like it's not like a lot of these altcoins aren't really anything. Like they don't do anything. At least Crow or like the Cronos chain is built for an exchange that actually makes money. And not only that, is now that Gensler's gone, all these US companies, which were super undervalued before, especially US crypto companies, should do well. Like as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, that's always the thing. But yeah, like all the US based ones should do well. When you sold all your crow during the bear, dude, I didn't even sell the crow during the bear. I sold the crow during the bull, like halfway through the bull, bro. I still made money on crow, but like, dude, I'll tell you this, I definitely missed out on some gains, which is fine, I guess. Crow literally gives 30% APY on monthly on random coins. Ugh, I don't feel safe with those fucking crazy APYs after last bear market. I can't put money in those crazy APYs. Like if someone's offering you 20, 30%, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, man. I really can't. G1 remembers that? Oh yeah. That photo was posted like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, so like this is probably just like an initial pump, guys. So when I say I'm FOMOing, I'm kind of kidding. What I mean by FOMOing is I hope that it comes down a little bit. not even retrace the whole thing. Even, like come down to here, retrace a little bit, and I wouldn't be upset. I wouldn't be upset. What I mean by FOMOing is I want to buy the dip after the bull, after the first initial dip of the bullish news. It will pump if Trump buys crow. Facts. I don't think you're wrong. I really don't. Check your favorite alt fart coin. They're catching up a lot of BNB's market share. Yeah, that's what I mean, dude. Dude, BNB has $103 billion market cap. Crow, which seems to be in good standing with the US, the biggest economy, is at a $5 billion market cap. So, I mean, you just put two and two together. Obviously, BNB is way bigger. Binance is huge. But it's the thought process, I guess. H-bar dumped a little today. Yeah, I mean, H-bar has been the coin of this year so far, man. Not a coin of this year, but the coin of this current run. H-bar, I think, did the best. H-bar went up like 10x. The H-bar went up 10x in a month. Like, what? That's some crazy shit. Like, if you can catch a 10x in a month, you're a fucking god. You know what I mean? This thing went up 10x in a month, dude. I can't remember the last time, besides a meme, a coin going up 10x in a month. That is insane. So yeah, I mean, how much does this need to consolidate? I don't know, but some big fucking player came in and bought H-bar. And they're gonna take profits. But that was a crazy ass pump. Crazy ass pump. So obviously big players that were in from low are gonna take profits here. So maybe this one chops around for a little bit. I mean, it did go up 10x in a month, which is literally insane. Like, that's just crazy. XRP didn't 10x. XRP was at, I mean, if you say this, the pump started from here, technically, right? It was at 50 cents. It went to $3. So XRP did a 6x, which is still fucking crazy too. Considering the market cap, like that's crazy. That's fucking crazy, man. Link did like a 3 point. That Link did like a 4x. A lot of things did pretty good. H-bar is going to the moon with SpaceX? What? What does that even mean, dude? What does that even mean, dude? All right, guys. What time is it? 7:56. I think today's a good day to keep it a short day, right? I think today is pretty self-explanatory. I think today and tomorrow we probably could bleed out some more. So don't be surprised. It's probably a good day just to not look at your portfolio for the next 2 days. After FOMC, then you can make whatever decision you want. But there's going to be people taking profits. There's going to be people shorting. So basically sell pressure probably for the next 2 days as we head into Wednesday. So let's get ready for Wednesday. But it's probably a good day to keep it like an hour stream today. As you know, there's not really too much going on. It's just a slow bleed for alts. So let's get ready for Wednesday. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll talk about tomorrow. We'll see what happens. But I probably expect a little bit more altcoin bleed and probably Bitcoin just literally going like Bitcoin can even continue up, honestly. Like that's kind of like today, right? So adios, much love, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Oh, I gotta look at Kadena for my boy. Hold on, I didn't forget about you, Lily, but I almost forgot about you, bro. I didn't forget about you, man. Kadena. I mean, Kadena had a pretty big move too. Kadena did like Kadena did a 6x. Kadena did a 6x to the literal resistance. All right, so Kadena did a 6x to the resistance level. Might need to chop around for a little bit. You know, these coins that went nuts, those ones maybe need to chop around for a little bit, but they've already reset, right? Daily RSI is back to 50. Daily stock RSI is bottomed out. So they've already kind of reset. I just think let's get to Wednesday. We've seen some pullbacks on these coins, right? I mean, this thing pulled back 40% pullback already on Kadena. Like, you've gotten massive pullbacks already. Let's get to Wednesday, and obviously it's at resistance. So if you were up 6x, not a bad time to take profits in this green box. But ultimately, this should go higher. Eventually. You know, so yeah, not too bad, man. Not too bad. Right at resistance. Let's get to Wednesday. Let's see what happens with these coins. But obviously, Kadena's done fucking pretty good too. Anyways, peace out, guys. Much love, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.